Sustainable engineering plays a critical role in addressing environmental issues in the food industry, such as energy and water use, food waste, packaging waste, carbon footprints, and chemical contamination. Among these, food waste stands a major contributor to landfills, generating harmful emissions and wasting valuable resources. Philippines, 2,175 tons of food waste are generated daily, 25% rice, 30% vegetables, 30% fruit, and 15% meat. This waste depletes energy, water, and resources, with much ending up in landfills, fueling pollution and climate change. When food waste ends up in the landfills, it decomposes anaerobically, releasing methane. Methane is 25 times more potent as a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, making food waste the largest source of methane emissions. This accelerates global warming and worsens climate change. Improper decomposition of food waste can create leachate, which contaminates groundwater and waterways. Nutrient overloads from food waste can cause algal blooms that deplete oxygen levels, harm aquatic life, and violate clean water regulations. Food waste equals wasted resources. For example, producing just 1 kilogram of wheat requires 1,500 liters of water. When food is wasted, so is the water, energy, and the labor used in its production. While 820 million people go hungry worldwide, the food we waste could feed millions. By reducing food waste, we can conserve vital resources and make a real impact in addressing global hunger. Inefficient food processing, poor storage system, and improper transportation worsen food waste. Additionally, poorly designed packaging and supply chains lead to spoilage and unstable waste practices. Adopt circular system to reuse, recycle, and upcycle food waste. For instance, transform food byproducts into animal feed, bioplastics, or other valuable materials, reducing waste and creating sustainable solutions. Divert food waste from landfills to composting facilities. This process creates nutrient-rich compost, cutting the need for chemical fertilizer and reducing landfill waste, benefiting both agriculture and the environment. Communities can set up small-scale anaerobic digesters or composting pits. Households and businesses can feed food waste into this system to produce organic fertilizers and biogas. These prevent methane emission, reduces landfill loads, and generate renewable energy. Introduce low-cost food preservation technologies like clay pot coolers and insulated boxes for areas without refrigeration. Teach proper food storage techniques to prolong shelf life and prevent spoilage, empowering individuals to reduce waste. Set up food banks to collect surplus food from farms, markets, and restaurants. These help reduce food waste and provides much-needed meals for vulnerable communities, tackling food insecurity effectively. Implement strict waste segregation at the source, such as households, food processors, and retailers. Design bins specifically for compostable and non-compostable materials to streamline waste management. Switch to biodegradable, edible, or reusable packaging to replace single-use options. This reduces waste, maintains food quality, and extends shelf life, benefiting both consumers and the environment. Sustainable food engineering helps cut methane emissions from landfills, conserve water and energy, and it also protects the ecosystems. It's a key strategy in combating climate change and promoting environmental health. Reducing food waste lowers costs and creates jobs in waste management and renewable energy sectors. Biogas plants, for example, offer dual benefits: clean energy production and waste reduction. Food redistribution programs strengthen food security and community resilience. By reducing waste, they provide equitable access to food, supporting vulnerable communities and benefiting the environment. Pilot program for composting and biogas system can be tested in urban and rural areas. By partnering with private organizations, we can scale these initiatives and leverage food engineering expertise for widespread impact. To tackle food waste effectively, initiatives must align with laws like RA 9003, the Solid Waste Management Act, and RA 9275, the Clean Water Act. This provides a framework for managing waste and pollution, emphasizing enforcement and promoting sustainable practices. Sustainable food engineering is the key to reducing food waste, protecting resources, and ensuring a healthier planet. Together, we can be innovative, implement, and transform food system for a sustainable future. Let's act now to make every step count.